and Administration ay nakabase po kami sa Kuwait na mayroong branch sa Kuwait City, Malia at Mabula at nag-offer pa kami ng mga courses worldwide at itong UK Diploma in Health and Social Caregiver course ay offer namin ito kahit sang bansa ka man ngayon ay pwede kang mag-aral. Ang ICSA ay tinatag noong 2001 through the aspiration of Mr. Amir F. Muhammad, the founder of ICSA. At ang ICSA po ay nag-offer ng 3 levels at ang i-discuss po natin ngayon ay ang level 3 at level 4. At the level 3 are for those at least elementary graduate or high school level na after nyo pong matapos ang course, makakatanggap po kayo ng UK Diploma with 60 credits or units. At for level 4, for those at least high school graduate na after nyo pong matapos ang course, dito po sa level 4 is at least high school graduate or above. At after nyo pong matapos ang course, makakatanggap po kayo ng UK Diploma with 120 credits or units. At kailangan lang po natin sa ating course ay may basic knowledge na po tayo sa paggamit ng computer or laptop, gaya ng Microsoft Office application tulad ng Microsoft Word, and can communicate in basic English, written, or verbal form po.
Baka it's just AI.
So of course po, no, everybody wants to be financial stable, and we all know that healthcare career is one of the most in-demand career nowadays. Aside from the skills and knowledge, it gives us also a better future career-wise. That is why many of us want to practice this profession. At itong mga career opportunities na pwede pong maging trabaho ng isang graduate ng UK Diploma in Health and Social Care. Pwede po tayong magtrabaho as social care worker, personal assistant, healthcare assistant, community development, healthcare administration, charity officer, and home care aide. At ito po yung ating mga requirements. Ang requirements lang po natin ay civil ID, front and back copy. Ito po ay for Kuwait student. At pag outside Kuwait ka naman, sa ibang bansa ka, yung any valid ID or inyong passport copy. 2x2 picture or formal selfie. At yung previous school credential nyo, yung diploma, DOR, at pwede siyang to follow kung hindi siya available sa ngayon at kahit wala pa pong inyong school credential, at pwede na po kayo mag-proceed for enrollment. At own laptop or computer, kung wala po kayong laptop sa ngayon, pwede nyo munang gamitin ang inyong mobile phone sa pag-attend ng class. Mag-download lang po kayo ng Zoom app dahil through Zoom po yung ating pag-aaral. At ito po, UK Diploma in Health and Social Caregiver course with level 3. 60 credits or units. Ito ay para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi po nakapagtapos ng high school, or ito po ay high school level po sila, or at least elementary graduate. Ito na po yung pagkakataon nyo po na magkaroon ng diploma na UK diploma na while working abroad, kahit nasang bansa ka man, ayun ay magkakaroon ka ng internationally recognized diploma from UK na magagamit sa pag-apply kahit isang bansa, lalo na kung balak mong trabaho sa mga bansa ng UK, Australia, or kahit sa bansa na may in-demand caregiver job. At itong matututunan po natin, 4 units, an introduction to health and social care, communication for health and social care, promoting health in the population, personal-centered care, elective units, understanding diabetes care, understanding stroke care, understanding dementia care. At ito yung ating schedule for face-to-face class para sa mga Kuwait student. Meron po tayong Friday schedule at Saturday, Friday 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Saturday 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And for online Zoom class, meron po tayong 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. At kung nasa Asia time naman, yung 9 a.m. po is nasa 2 p.m. po yan for Asia time for Friday. And Saturday 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. nasa 4 p.m. isa, nasa 9 p.m. po yan. At yung class po natin meron siyang 3 to 4 hours per session. At ito po yung ating course fee. Ang total regular course fee natin is 450 KD po siya. 9 months ang duration ng ating course. At pwede po tayong magbayad ng monthly installment. Yung KD po is sa Kuwaiti dinar since ang main branch is located po kami dito sa Kuwait. At pag makapag-enroll po kayo within this week or this month, pwede ka namin bigyan ng special discount. At ito naman po for level 4 po natin with 120 credits or units. Ito po is yung requirements at least high school graduate po tayo or above. At for face-to-face class, meron po tayong ang branch sa Kuwait City at sa Mapula for Kuwait student. At for online class, para sa mga ibang bansa po, ma'am. At meron tayong Friday, Saturday for face-to-face class and Tuesday. For online, meron tayong Sunday and Saturday.
Sa 1 month po, ilang days po yung ano, ma'am?
At for question po ay sasagutin po namin yung mamaya po.
Sige po, sige. Thank you.
At ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng level 4 and level 3? Sa level 3 is meron makakaroon kayo ng 60 credits at sa level 4 is 120 credits po yung matatanggap niyo po. Yan. At ito naman po, this is the sample of our diploma na matatanggap niyo po after completion of the course. You will also receive your transcript of records indicating the credits and grades. Take note po, this is not a certificate. Although nakalagay sa header niya ay certificate, this is a diploma compared to other schools na they are providing certificate. Ang atin po ay diploma po at no expiration at recognized po siya internationally. At dito po naka-indicate po is qualify po siya. At ang awarding body po natin is qualify. What is qualify? So ICSA is po tied up po tayo. The awarding body for the specific course is the Health and Social Care is qualified po. Ang qualify po is the qualification regulator in UK. Dahil after nyo pong matapos ang course, UK diploma po yung matatanggap nyo at ito po ay under British curriculum. Gagaling pa po sa UK London ang diploma na matatanggap nyo po. At pwede nyo po ito siyang ipa-authenticate kahit sa embassy, ipa-evaluate sa WES or sa ECA po. WES po is World Education Services. At pwede nyo din po siyang ipa-apostil. And aside from Kuwait, we have some international students also who graduated. When we say international student po, ito yung residing from other countries like Hong Kong, Taiwan, Qatar, Lebanon, Saudi, Philippines, and others. At ito po yung ating isang graduate po mula po sa Hong Kong. At ito naman po yung ating nag-enroll mula sa Lebanon. Since we offer this course worldwide, the good thing is we have online classes to those who wanted to have a diploma, to have a credential para magamit. So, ICSA can provide that. At madali lang po yung ating proseso ng pag-enroll. At ito po ang ating enrollment procedure. Madali lang po mag-enroll. Bibigyan po kayo ng link ng inyong student consultant kung saan mag-fill up po kayo ng inyong enrollment registration. Then, ihanda nyo yung mga requirements nyo. Isend nyo lang sa WhatsApp kung sino ang nag-assist sa inyo. And for the payment for Kuwait student, pwede silang bumisita sa aming opisina. May 2 branch po kami sa Kuwait City or sa Mabula. Or for online enrollment, pwede silang magbayad through payment link, KNET. And for outside Kuwait naman, sa ibang bansa, yung mode of payment lang po natin ay through GCash, BPI, BDO, or Metrobank. And yung class schedule po natin is nakadepende po yan kung anong level po kayo qualified at anong oras, anong araw po yung ipunin nyo pong schedule. Saturday pa or Friday or Sunday. And yung mentoring class po natin is nakaschedule po yan. Depende sa availability of the instructor. At yung learning tools po natin is kailangan meron po kayong laptop, tablet. At kung walang kayong laptop, kahit yung mobile phone nyo po, pwede nyo munang gamitin. Then mag-download lang po kayo ng Zoom app. At once na maging officially enrolled po kayo, makakasali po kayo sa ating official WhatsApp group kung saan po doon po yung magme-message ang inyong instructor for mga further announcement. At meron din po tayong provided online portal access para mas madali po yung ating pag-aaral. Dito po sa online portal is pwede po kayong mag-review ng mga modules in advance at pwede nyo siyang ma-access 24/7 po during your free time. At for online class is kung sakaling na-absent po kayo or hindi pa kayo naka-attend ng class, pwede nyo pong balikan ang class na panoorin since recorded po yung ating every class po. So, yun lang po. Pwede nyo po ako message sa WhatsApp kung wala pa nag-assist po sa inyo. Thank you for listening. And para sa mga katanungan and clarification, pwede na po tayong mag-unmute at magsalita po. O di kaya kung di po kayo makapag-unmute, pwede po kayo mag-chat sa ating chat box po. Salamat. So po, any question? Ito, babasahin ko yung question. Yes po, ma'am. Kahit nasang bansa po kayo ay pwede po kayong mag-enroll dahil available po yung ating course through online live interactive class via Zoom po. Saan bansa po ba tayo ngayon, ma'am? At yes po, pwede po kayong magbayad ng monthly installment. Naka-special offer po yung ating course this month. Ngayon po, ma'am, is 8:25 na po tayo. 8:25 po tayo sa Asia. Kung sa Kuwait is 3 p.m. po yan siya, ma'am.
For example po, ma'am, ako po ako sa Jubail ako.
Saan po kayo?
Sa Jubail po.
Sa Dubai, yes
Jubail.
po. 1
Jubail.
hour lang po. Yes, ma'am. Bale, 1 hour lang man advance po yung oras po.
Paano po yung mode of payment? Sabi niyo pwede pong installment.
Yes po.
I-divide po sa 9 months yun? Or
Ano po yung highest educational attainment niyo, ma'am? Kayo po ba high school graduate or high
yes
school
po,
level
high
po?
school, high school graduate po ako. Kasi hindi
Yes.
ako natapos ng college undergrad. Pero high school
Bale,
graduate po ako.
yes. Pwede po kayo sa level 4 with 120 credits or units po. Yung total course fee po natin is 750 KD po siya at pwede po
Ilan po yan,
natin
ma'am, sa ano?
750 KD po, KD. Bale, i-send po natin sa inyo, i-send po sa inyo sa chat box po yung ang course fee po natin. Then, convert nyo lang po sa currency rate ng bansa. Wait po, ma'am.